Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in this video of learning darts, we are going to understand the use of do while and also we are going to compare with while. So here we have a video number 10. So I say do while dot dart, here void main, and here I want to explain first of all the do while. Remember here we have to write do and at the last we have to write while. Okay, now we initialize here. I say I equal to 0, same as we do in the case of while, but here I say if I is less than 5, then I have to execute. Remember here I say print, I say I am inside while, do while, because we have to understand it. Remember I is less than, I is equal to 0, less than 5. I am running this and you see the output. I say dart run, then do while. You see it is executing infinity time. Why infinite time? Because I have not incrementing it, so this condition is become true. So I say I plus plus also, because I want to stop it after 5 iteration. You see it is stop and 5 time is executing 1 2 3 4 5. Remember, and if I say I is 10, remember, so if I is 10, so this I is not less than 5, it's greater than 5, so this should not be execute, remember that. But if I run it, you see it executing one time. But in case of while, if I'm using while, remember that I use while here, same, I say I less than 5 here and I say print I am inside while loop. Remember there here, to understand the difference between this, and I say I plus plus. Now you see, and remember that this is I and I say here J to understand it more clearly. Here I say J and here I say J plus plus. Remember that both the same, both have same condition, while and do while. If I run it, you will see that do while statement is executing, but this while statement is not executing. Why? Because in case of while, it check condition first, then it allow to go inside. So if this condition is false, so you would not go inside. But in case of do while, first it execute the statement, remember, then it increase this, then it check the condition. So because it's a 10 and it check, it display it become 11. Now 11 is less than 5 is condition false. So next time it would not execute, but it execute one time. Remember that whether the condition is true or false, it will execute one time always. Remember that. But in case of while, it would not execute until the condition is true. So that is the fact difference between while and do while, that while only allow if condition is true, do while allow once and then check condition. After that, if condition is true or false, it would not allow, it allow on the basis of condition, but it will execute once this statement, second time it check the condition. But in while case, in first case, it check the condition, then it decide true or false and allow that. Otherwise, you see, both are same. Only this is the difference between do while and while. And if you see the syntax, same syntax which we have in C, C++, Java and JavaScript programming language. So everything is same. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.